Today, a different video on this mini mobile phone. So hi everyone, I'm Arnab and welcome back to my channel LHD, and today I'm gonna show this mini mobile phone by Greenberry. This is a really small mobile, and the special feature of this phone is a spy camera, torch, Bluetooth dialer. Battery is 550 mAh and also the dual SIM and micro SD card. So spy camera is the main interesting features on this little mobile phone. So let's open this packet. The packet is not really good. This is the packaging. This is a earplug for Bluetooth dialer. This is USB cable for charging and data transfer, and 550 mAh little battery. See? And this is the mobile device, really small. And this is Yonghu Soce, means user manual, Chinese and English. So this is the mobile, really small and cute. See the device. You can also attach this ear plug here to use as a Bluetooth dialer, and you can also detach this part and use as a mobile phone. So this is a really small, like my thumb size. So let's open. And this is camera, and this is dual SIM slot 1, 2, and inside there is a micro SD card. So let's put in the battery. Now let's start this Greenberry. It's really loud. See the mobile, color mobile, the date and time is not correct. The options are messaging, call history, multimedia, and with file manager. Phone, I have no SD card inside there. Camera, see the camera quality, it's quite good. See the Chinese characters are. This is a VG camera. The user manual, you can see that. Then image viewer, video recorder, video player, audio player, sound recorder, a Bluetooth dialer, organizer, phone book, settings, display, phone settings, secret setting, network settings, dual SIM settings. Now go to organizer. You can see voice changer on man, woman and child, and this is the torch. By long pressing the middle button, you can on the torch. See, I'm using this phone from last 15 days. Actually, you can use this torch as a mobile flashlight. Just on this torch and also on the camera, and you can see it will work as a mobile flashlight. The price of this phone is 1500 Indian rupees, which is approx $22. And also have little light on the keypad, but there is no option to adjust the display light. The main disadvantage of this phone is there is no headphone jack over here, and the battery, it will last only for 1 day maximum. See the size, this is smaller than my finger. So let's compare with the other objects like 2 rupee coin and this normal matchbox and this big safety pin, this battery, double battery. Now let's measure this phone. It's approx 7 centimeter, or you can say little more than 2.5 inch, and this is half inch. The weight is approx 1 inch, and there is other color here, this 4 color. You can buy it easily. While you calling, the battery will last for approx 1.5 hour, and the standby duration is approx 1 day, and it takes half an hour to fully charged. So let's call customer care to know the sound quality. It also has call recording option. So this is the loudspeaker sound quality, which is really good. So this is a compact mobile phone. You can grab it in your palm and no one can notice this. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also share your valuable view on the comment section down below. This mini mobile, you can buy it online. I'll definitely get the link in the description down below. So thanks for watching and see you next time.